Hello traders. Now we are going to discuss a weekly analysis on both Nifty and Bank Nifty. First, I'm opening Nifty weekly chart where you can see the market is still in correction phase. The market has been in this correction phase only. It is making both price size and time wise correction over here. Now let's move on daily time frame to show you some points where you can generate your best trade over here. Market is moving in this rising wedge channel completely. If you get any breakdown to this channel and breakdown to this support area, which is almost 17,650 level, if any daily candle closes below this level, then we can plan for swing trade for bearish trend. Now, as of now, when we move on hourly time frame for this week purpose, the market is making clearly higher highs and higher lows pattern, right? It is making clearly higher highs and higher lows pattern. Now, when we are going to plan for a downtrend means whenever we get breakdown to this zone, then only we have to plan for bearish trend. Till then, we can plan for any sideways trend or bullish trend only. Now, we'll see how the trade plan in 15 minutes time frame from Monday onwards. Now, you see here, as it is moving still in channel wise only. When it hits this channel range, we can plan for selling side. When it reaches this channel trend, where support area, then we can plan for bullish trend over here. If any breakdown to this level, then we can initiate few quantities for selling side, not aggressively, few quantities for selling side. When we have to build aggressively for selling side, whenever we get breakdown to this level, then only we have to plan aggressively for selling side. Now for Monday, what might be happen as SGX showing some gap up opening. If any gap up opens here and gives retest to this level and gives a bullish pattern, then we can go for bullish trend, or falls below into this zone again, below this zone and small retest to this resistance, then we can plan for selling side trade as well. These are the two scenarios as of now we can see in Nifty. Now let's move on Bank Nifty once. When we see on Bank Nifty, let's go on weekly time frame first. At this level, Bank Nifty has just crossed its all-time high and gave a very good retest to these support levels in on weekly time frame. But we can't say that the market has retested its support zone. Now it can move higher levels easily. But we can plan our trade based on the present price action. So let's move on daily time frame to check how we can plan our trade. The same way as Nifty was moving in a channel, here Bank Nifty is also moving in the same channel itself. Now break down to this channel, then we can plan our trade for bearish side. And above this line, above this resistance level, which is, let me show you, which is 41,660 level. If you get a very good daily candle closing above this level, then only we can think of going for buying side aggressively. Till then, you don't have to build a very aggressive buying sides as of now. Now, similarly, when we go on hourly time frame, I have marked a very crucial zones over here based on it, which we are going to act. As of now, the very crucial zone is this one, which is 41,550 level. If we are getting any closing above this level and a very good follow-up candles are coming, then we can plan for a trade till this channel resistance. And if we get any reversal from there, then we can plan till this channel support trade. Both sides we will be planning. But when we are going for aggressive selling side, below this blue zone, which is this one, I can tell you 40,880 level. Below 40,880 level, we can go for aggressive selling side. We are having small support areas as well here, which was taken support. Most of the times, what you have to plan is go for option selling, which will get you more easy for the trade management rather than option buying. You can go for futures as well, which is best. But if you are having very less capital, then do on intraday basis only in the options rather than going for overnight positions, because the global scenarios are showing different and our market is showing completely different as of now. Now, when we move on to our intraday time frame, most of the times we'll be doing on 15 minutes time frame. The market has been in this range completely, right? In this range completely, and on Friday it has given a breakdown to this level, and it came for retest to the same level. Now, if any good gap up opens here, then again it will act as support. Upside momentum can be possible. Or if we get any breakdown to this level, then we can build our selling side positions. If we are having a very crucial resistance zone of 41,500, which will be acting as a resistance again in coming days as well. Closing above this level, then only we can expect as 41,500 will be a support level. This is the trade plan for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you are going for option buying trades or those things, plan according to your risk management. And when we see on India VIX has been fallen very good. That means the volatility is very less in our markets as of now. When it reaches above 18 or above 20, at the time we will be seeing 100 points up and down move in Bank Nifty. But as of now, Bank Nifty is moving slow and steadily. So plan your trades according to the price action and trade regularly. Plan your trade and trade that plan. Thank you.